Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got somebody with me, Michael. You probably hear him ripping beside me. He got a new bike. I'm trying to stay in front of him so I don't show it just yet. But the boy got that 2016 Yamaha R1, baby. It's about time. It's about time. We all know he had that freaking chum bucket for the longest. Oh my god! Holy shit! That is legit a gunshot, bro. Oh my god. Bro, mine doesn't even pop like that. Oh my god. Oh. Holy shit, bro. But yeah, he finally got a new bike, y'all. This man's been eyeing up a Yamaha R1 for the longest. A couple of guys fucked him over by selling their bikes, even though they said they'd hold it for him while he was waiting to get approved for his loan, and they still went ahead and sold it, even though they shouldn't have. I think if you tell someone that they're gonna hold the bike for you, and they say okay, and you just go and sell it anyway, I think that's a dick move. But look, he has that freaking he has cruise control. He got a little throttle lock. He doesn't have cruise control like me. That's built into the bike. But that thing's nasty, man. I haven't ridden with him yet. He brought it to my station the first day he got it, or second day, something like that. And it sounded good. I didn't know it. He told me it popped like crazy, but I didn't know it was popping like that. That's insane. That's loud in my helmet. Oh my god. That thing is crazy. He got that he got that titanium. Where? There's a cop. I don't see no cop. Oh yeah, I've been trying to figure out the little whistling noise, and I think I found out what it was. So there's, oh, don't skid, don't skid, don't skid. There's a God, what do you want to call it? There's a vent right here in front of my microphone. It's closed all the time, but I think it's either that or it's actually my visor not closing down all the way. I think it's my visor not closing down all the way, because there's just a little bit of a gap, and like I can hear the whistling now, but it's really loud in my videos. So, but I'm gonna have to ride with my clear visor that came with the helmet to see if it really is my tinted visor, because I always ride with my tinted visor. Even at night I don't change it, but or I can just go back and look at a video and see if it was whistling that bad. But we're on the way to get some food. We're really just mobbing around the city. We're not really doing a whole lot. This isn't it was going to be a dedicated video for Michael getting his bike, but we were supposed to do that last week when he got it, but I was working. Oh yeah, and this man drove 6 hours with our friend to go get it. Then he drove 6 hours back on it. He already put I think as of like last Friday or something like that, I don't know, today's the 31st of May, so last Friday I think he put like 1.5 thousand miles on it already. That's insane. Insane. Yeah. We're pulling up, so I'll cut her back on when we get out. Oh my God. This man's over here shooting flames. Yeah, we're gonna pull over somewhere so we can examine this bike a little bit better, just to show you guys. You probably don't even care, but I'm gonna show you anyways. Oh my God, that thing's so loud, man. Not like an annoying loud, but it's like the pops are loud. To me, in my opinion, I think all Yamaha sound the same. That's just my opinion, because I had an FZ07. It sounded just like my FZ07 to an extent. Like, not the pops and everything. Mine did pop. Not like that though. I don't know what hand signal he just gave up, as if I can see him in this tinted visor and it's dark outside. Why is he on my ass like that? Michael, we gotta get work better on your driving skills, bud. Oh! Why are you so close?
I don't want to touch you.
This is the beauty. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail.
Thumbnail from the front.
Huh?
The front, where you see the headlight. That's a fucking cool shot.
Oh my God. Oh. Nah, it's good. Alright, I got a thumbnail. But yeah, this is Michael's new bike, everybody. I think the only thing that's done to it is obviously levers. He has a throttle lock. He doesn't have block offs, but they're gone. He has no mirrors. I just realized that you have no mirrors.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't realize that. Yeah, just take them off. You had them folded in all the time. You never used them. Yeah. But yeah, he got that beautiful titanium exhaust down there. I wish mine blew like that, but he did ride it 6 hours home. So that's the only difference. And I'll try to blow torch mine. It doesn't look that great. But also my bike is dirty, so that could be another factor. But yeah. Now I don't even know what else to say. I mean, I kind of filmed everything.
I'd let you test ride it. But yeah, let me test ride you.
Nah, I don't want to ride it. I want to ride the bike, man. What? So I don't want to ride it. This is a long time coming. He finally got it. But yeah, I guess that's going to be the video. If you did like it, comment, subscribe, share. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Deuces.